Sotolopa lomusha wamasipala waseJozidata Morero tubophelele kuletheni kutinda etimalini kulo masipala. Bubulalwa kashangathi lento kanti ngalikusasa lemfelanza wonye we-ANC letinhlangano lenato. Umqeqeshi Orlando Pirates Jose Rivera uthi imphumela phambili ngeke isebenze leqembu lakhe nalidlala neMamelodi Sundowns kusasa. Ngoba kuhle kuhlangana endzabeni tesiSwati la ke SABC 1 ke sibukele thamba embili lomuhla. Sotolopa lomusha wamasipala waseJozidata Morero utibophelele kuletheni kutinda etimalini talo masipala. Lo sihlalo ANC eJozi ukhethelwe kulesikhundla ngaphandle kwekuphikiswa. Lokuthi emva ukuthi Sotolopa phambili Mpho Phalatse akhishwe kulesikhundla ngesishukumiso sekungasamethembi. Phalatse usasho ukuthi lo mhlangano bongekho emthethweni. Ngasecela kulelanga lomuhle enkantolo icithe isicelo sakhe sekutama kumisa lo mhlangano.
Kusuka umsindvo kumkhandlo waseJozi ngalesikhathi inhlangano tepolitiki tivota kukhipha Sotolopa waseJozi Dr. Mpho Phalatse ngemva kwesishukumiso sekungamethembi. Inkantolo isicithile isicelo saPhalatse sokuthi kuhlala kwalomkhandlu kutsatfwe njengalokungekho emthethweni. Amavoti lang-139 aqinisekise ukuthi Phalatse uyasishiya isikhundla sakhe sokuba ngusodolobha walo masipala. Kanti inhlangano tepolitiki letiphikisako tikwamukele lokhu.
I can categorically state that the motion of no confidence against Mpho Phalatse was carried with 139 councillors, and there wasn't any councillor opposed to the election. I mean, the voting out of the executive mayor, the former executive mayor Mpho Phalatse.
Kanti labanye bakholela ukuthi kuhlala kwalomkhandlu bekungekho emthethweni.
That meeting did not quorate, which again makes the sitting that we're witnessing today an illegal one. The general principle is that you're given 72 hours notice. Equally, you are given the agenda items as well as the notices that will be discussed in that meeting. That did not happen. Once again, indicating that we're dealing with someone who's playing fast and loose with the rules of council as well as the laws of this country, and that should be worrisome for all Johannesburg residents.
Kusenjalo inhlangano ye-ANC kwamukele ukucuka kwasodolobha lomusha lomasipala weJozidata Morero. Akhulume emahhovisini enhlangano ye-ANC Pulemabe ubeke ngalendlela.
We allowed the DA to occupy the seat of government here in the city, but we kept on reminding them. We whispered to them more loudly, even using yourselves, that don't forget, you did not win the power to govern. You are governing by permission.
Imvuselelo lubisi Tindzaba SABC eJozi.
Lihhovisi lemvikelo umphakathi litholeke ukuthi mengameli Cyril Ramaphosa akazange ephule umthetho wokuphatha emva kokuthi inkulumo labeyicoshiwe imbujukele eziveni. Kule nkulumo Ramaphosa uthi uyade ukuthi yasetshenziswa njani imali yesive kuleminye imikhankaso yepolitiki ngekhathi ku-ANC. Libambele imvikelo umphakathi advocate Kholeka Qaleka uthi bayalibambisa lihhovisi lakhe bonke labathintheka kulolu phenyo lephalaphala.
Umbiko loqoshiwe lophumela ngasencele kubantu lapho kuvakala mengameli Cyril Ramaphosa athi uyade ukuthi kunemali yesive leyasetshenziswa la imikhankaso yepolitiki ngekhathi kwenhlangano ye-ANC. Lokho sosatikhalo letiningi lapho bantu bakhala ngekuthi mengameli waphula umthetho wokusebenza kwelehhovisi lakhe ngehluleka kubika loludzaba etikhungweni temthetho. Nanobe kube netikhalo letahlukene ngaloludzaba, umvikelo umphakathi lobambe kwesikhashana utfole ukuthi kude umthetho lowaphulwa ngumengameli.
Evidence obtained indicates that prior to the president making these utterances, it was widely reported, even in the Zondo Commission, which was public, on the misuse of public funds by the ruling party for party political gains.
Sisakulo ludzaba lolutsinza mengameli. Advocate Kholeka uthi lehhovisi lakhe lingete litsimba lebantfu labaphenya ngelidzaba lekwebiwa kwemali eplazini lamengameli phalaphala. Uthi lume ngemumo ngemva kwetikhalo letithi uhutfu latinyawo ekuphenyeni loludzaba.
We call upon the public to rest assured that we have covered a lot of ground and we are receiving cooperation from all stakeholders involved.
Kusenjalo litiko letekuvikela litfole ukuthi alimangele landzele umthetho. ngalesikhathi lithenga tinsita tekuvikela ligciwane le-COVID-19 letibita 200 million emarandi ngeminyaka wa-2020 letibuya eCuba. Leli tiko latfola kutsi alumange lifake ticelo letifanele ngaphansi kwesikhungo lesilawula kutsenga kwetinsita temphilo. Kantsi indvuna yaleli tiko noSiviwe Mapisa Ngcakula utfola kutsi waphula umtsetfo wetekuvikela wanga-2002 kanye nemtsetfo sisekelo walelive ngekhamba netitfunywa te-ANC eveni leZimbabwe ngendiza yaleli tiko.
Ms. Mapisa Ngcakula neither had the authority nor the permission to ferry the ANC delegation in an SANDF aircraft.
I-ANC ikhokhela litiko letekuvikela imali letinkulungwane letilikhulu nesihlanu kulandzela kutsi amalunga ayo asebentise indiza yaleli tiko.
Kubonakala kwangathi lendekante ngalekusasa lemfelandawonye ye-ANC netinhlangano lenato. Lokuta njengoba kulindeleke ukuthi ingomfa yekhosathu yenesimemetelo ngelibito lokuthi SABC ngelelo khetho langa 2024. Kusenjalo ANC ithi ibuke ukuthi kube khona kuhlelwa kabusha kwalomfelandawonye.
Ikhosathu ikubeke ebaleni ukuthi bunjani budlelwano bayo kulomfelandawonye labanawo kuleli viki uma iphetha ingomfa yayo njengoba kusetawucaca ukuthi ti-70 kumele tivotele i-ANC nobe SABC ngelokhetho la 2024. Lokuta ngemva kwekuthi mabhanajikelo we-SABC akubeke ebaleni ukuthi bona bakulungele. Mabhanajikelo popro uthi kudzalo ludzaba lukhona.
The 13th resolution said we support the ANC on the basis that the ANC reconfigure the alliance, failing which then COSATU will support the Communist Party on the state and popular power. So now when we come to this conference, for us it was about assessing whether is the ANC coming to the part on the issue of reconfiguration of the alliance.
Ngemva ukuthi ehlule ukukhuluma kule nkonfa sihlalo we-ANC Gwede Mandashe ngaphambili uke wathi uma ngabe SABC ingahle ingenele ukhetho langa 2024 lokhu kuyomosha lobudlelwano balomfelandawonye kugcina kuhlela kutheni bafune abantu abavotela ndawonye.
As part of the work that we are doing with all our alliance partners, where the South African Communist Party participate, including COSATU. We've got the Secretariat and we also have got the Alliance Political Council, and sometimes meet on an aside basis of all the officials. Part of what has been discussed there has been the reconfiguration of the alliance, which is the resolution of the COSATU conference. We have also taken that kind of a position ourselves as the African National Congress.
ICOSATU kulinze ukuthi ikhiphe imiphumela yaloko ngenyanga yeLweti.
Labo siphohlongo labo boshel phiko lamaphoyisa loluphenye amacala labucayi amahawks Nelson Mandela Bay Tolo bakhokha ngebhayili imali lengu-5,000 marandi ngamunye. Labo solo babeka amacala la-fire cards ngohlakalo nokuphula umthetho wokuphathwa kwetimali kuleli ngesikhathi kuphuma ithenda itindlu tangasese lebita tigitsete ngama-54 demarandi. Labo solo ba-fire cards umphathi wamasipala noxolo Ncwazi isihlalo wesigodzi we-ANC Leon Ngcakula umcondzisi lomisiwe Mvuleni Mapha amalunga labantu Day labo Victor Manyathi Trevor Lorna Neville Higgins kanye nasabosomabhizinisi lababili. Labo solo babuya enkantolo mhla tinga-30 lenyanga letakwethwasa. Temphilo lisebenzisana ne-Eskom nabomasipala ekutheni tikhundla lesitolo setulo temphilo tingatsinzeka ecishweni kwagesi ngenhloso yokumonga. Tinga-37 atibhedlela tahulumende atitsinzeki lokucishwa kwagesi lazikele lithemba lokuthi khona mathupha tingaba ngama-300 tibhedlela engeke titsinzeke kulolu hlelo.
Starting with your priority, your major hospitals which have to take very ill patients, because tertiary hospital like this, central hospitals like Chris Hani Baragwanath, Steve Biko, Groteskir, those kind of hospitals where very sick patients have to be referred. That must be priority to safeguard them, because they can't really, when there are these prolonged outages, they can't depend solely on generators.
Kuthole indleko enkantolo ephakeme yasePitoli isicelo lesiphuthumako sekuvimbela umcimbi lohleliwe kubekwa umntwana nkosi lekukela mujaji njengenkosi yaseBulobedu eLimpopo. Lesicelo besilethwe enkantolo ngusoswebhu waphambili we-ANC Mathole Motshekga longumeluleki wetemthetho umntwana nkosi Masala Nabo Mujaji. Inkantolo ithi Motshekga ude mandla tuka Masala Nabo nakutsi lolu dzaba akusilo loluphuthumako.
Ngumbango losemkhatsini wedelamani ukuthi ngubani ufanele isihlalo sebukhosi. Labantwana benkosi lekukela kanye namasalabo mujaji bobabili bantwana bendlovukati leseyakhothama amaqoba mujaji wesithupha lo washona ngeminyaka wa-2005 Masalanabo bekungiyena lo bekagcoye ukuthi athathe lesihlalo sebukhosi abe indlovukati yesikhombisa nakahlanganisa iminyaka yelishumi nesiphohlongo kepha ngeminyaka lofile ngenyanga yenkwenkweti indlu yebukhosi yamemetela lekukela njengendlalifa lekumele ithathe bukhosi lokwaholela ekutheni kuyiwe etinkundleni temthetho Dokotela Mathole Motshekga lo ngumtali wamujaji ubekeka so
failed to understand that we are not yet talking about who is the rightful successor, because if we were to deal with that, we would deal with that on the 10th of October.
Motshekga uthi lo mcimbi awusho lutho kule nkosatane yakusasa njengoba kungumongameli Cyril Ramaphosa kanye netolo commission labamubona njengalofanele sihlalo sebukhosi.
The decision of President Jacob Zuma was endorsed by President Ramaphosa, and the two presidents, together with the Premier of Limpopo Province and the chair of the Minister of Traditional Affairs, they went to call a big meeting, brought all the Balobedu and introduced Her Majesty Queen Masalabo Mujaji the 7th.
Indle bukhosi samukele sinqumo senkantolo. Bakhala ukuthi Masalanabo akhuliswa ngendlela yebalobeti nekuthi akakulungela kuba indlovukati.
We are over the moon, but we saw this coming because this is a justifiable cause and war that we found ourselves in.
Motshekga ke ufake sakhe isicelo sokuphikisana nesinqumo sendlu yebukhosi sekubeka lekukela abe yinkosi leto bekwa ngesihlalweni sayo mhla 10 kule nyanga letako.
Kulandzela siteleka sematekisi embombela lemapheliselo leshiya bagibeli bakanawo ekuhamba lamuhla amabhasi namatekisi abuyele emgwaqweni ayasebenta. Lokho kutemva kwemhlangano wethu emisebenzi yesive nekuthutha esifundeni saMpumalanga eligunyathe kubuyela kwalethuthu temphakathi emgwaqweni. Emoyeni sina John Mavundla ubuya esigungwini samatekisi iTop Star. Sikubuyela Mavundla sikwamukele ndzabeni tesiSwati la SABC 1.
Sanibonani ngibingelele nebabukeli be-SABC 1.
Kafishane nje Mavundla ungasiniketa kabantu ukuthi ngabe yini into lento ethi kube nelithuthuva emkhathini kwebhasi khona bosamatekisi lokugcina kuholela ukuthi kube nesiteleka.
Okay, umbango msakathi asimbango wanamusha kepha ngumbango lo sewuneminyaka leningayibala efika ku5. Emva kwekuthi kuntshintshe ke ioperation yakabhasco kuyikhampani lenkulu lelayisha abantu ehlanzeni. Sonke isikhathi beloko sisebenza nayo igcina umthetho wekulayisha abantu ngebhasi. Kepha muva nje ibe seyintshintsha indlela le-operator ngayo.
Nguyiphi le ndlela lentshintshile lokwenda ukuthi igcine sekungasabona kube khona ngaboni ngaso nje emkhathini kweni nayo?
Hello?
Mavundla yini lokwenda yini ibe seyishintsha kuphi ibhasi khona kwenda ukuthi ningasaboni ngaso linye nayo?
Kunemsindo lomkhulu lo wenda ukuthi singevani mfowethu kuna lokhalako lokwenda ukuthi singakhona ukuchaza kahle la isemina angathi ukuthi lomsindo ubuya.
Mavundla bengibuta ukuthi yini lekwendako ibhasi khona kwenda ukuthi nigcine ningasaboni ngaso linye nayo?
Okay, angichaze msakathi into nje ukuthi kunemsindo lana lokungawathi ukuthi ubuya kuphi. Into lesixabanisa naBhasco eqinisweni untshintshe isikhathi lesi kufanele alayishe ngaso bantu. I-timetable yakhe bekalayisha abantu ekuseni nabayemsebenzini ababeke abese uyabuyela futhi nzambama ngabo 3 to 4 aqale kuba connecta kepha muva nje bese kalayisha the whole day egameni elithi asisakhona ukubona ukuthi kanti manje sewulayisha abantu bemathikithi yini phela ngoba yena bantu bathenga amathikiti labantu abagibela ibhasi kepha manje besekalayisha sonke isikhathi nemuntu lophethe cash anjalo nje udrop ama-price abantu abaphethe cash lokho kwenta ukuthi sisale thina kungasekho umuntu simlayishako into yokuqala lelo sicabanisa naBhasco. Yesibili uthatha ama-special trip alayishe ngisho nebantwana labaya esikoleni labaya wonke malanga esikoleni labanye babo njengoba ngishito baphethe cash kepha ucollecta bonke athathe nema-special trip sisale thina singenalutho phezu kwaloko uwakhe ama-bus shelter or ama-bus stop la ibhansi kufanele istophe khona ilayishe abantu khona la kufanele ibhansi ime khona yehlise abantu kepha manje bekangasakwendi konke lokho sewulayisha njengeteksi uma noma ngikuphi umntwana akaphuma endlini nje aphakamisela ithikithi kuyema uyamthatha and lokho kuyasiphazamisa bese lokunye kule bhasi la lena 3 ema-coaches okusho ukuthi ebhasini leyi-1 kuna 3 emabhasi kuyo le bhasi leyo yinze ngendlela leyi-smart so uma uyilandela le bhasi awukhoni ngisho ku-overtake sibantu bemateksi uyathi ukuthi sisebenza ngama-trip lokho kwenta ukuthi singasakhoni ukuthi ngilayishe ngiphinde ngijike ngiyolayisha abantu ngoba kufuna ngilandele le bhasi 30 kilometers kusuka edrobheni kuya elokishini so into lesihluphako emnakethu leyo yenye kunetindzawo la bevele silayisha abantu khona ema-new village besilayisha abantu kungenamgwaqo khona immediately sekunemgwaqo umastrans ufaka ibhanki imibuto yethu ithi manje uyithathaphi yena ipermit ngoba i-permit board isitshelile ukuthi ayisakhiphi my-new permit so kulokunye lokusikhalisaka umsakade kokuqina kunenzaba ye-30% le ayi-interpreta kabi yena inzaba ye-30% emnakethu yinto lesemthethweni le ithi uma kukhona iproject lenkulu emphakathini iwinwe ngini kufanele umphakathi wendzawo ubenefite kule 30%. Sikhuluma ngani emnakethu? Sikhuluma ngekuthi kule operation yakhe la yendako sicela ukuthi asinike lamanye ma-route lawa operator sosebenze njengabantu bemateksi ngoba siyibhizinisi elincane manje solakala sicinzetelekile kakhulu asakhoni ngizokubhadala imoto lezi thengele njengoba wathi ukuthi singene ku recapitalization sihamba ngetimoto letinyiwa manje asakhoni ngisho ukubhadala letimoto enda konke lokhu abe asubsidize government yiloko lokusikhalisako mnakethu lokwenda ukuthi ma-association langu-9 ahlangana athi hayi phela sitawuze sife la sibulawe ikhampani leyi-1 kanti sibaningi siqashe abashayeli labaningi labadlula labashayela kubasco sinemindeni leminingi leyidlula bashayeli labashayela kabasco sesithi hey ngaphambi kokuthi nathi sikhombe ibhizinisi ithi nathi besinebhizinisi lapha ya kungcono sisukume into lento ukuthi size siye emgwaqweni from 2017 sikhuluma na government akafuni ukusilalela uphala uthi ngiyabuya angabuyi why sikhulume na government kungoba government nasikhuluma naye uthi vele nguye lakanike
babavundla sibakakhulu isikhathi sakho nina bakithi babavundla lokhulumela inhloko yamatekisi i-Top Star. Leti ngabo lethi mnanzi kubashayela yehle amafutha etimoto evikile litako lenzela ke ukuthi into emcebo waphansi namandla limemetele kwehla kwamafutha etimoto kulenyanga letako injongo petrol lenzela ukuthi yehle lokunani nga 1 rand ilitha kanti diesel tra wenyuka nga 15 cents ilitha.
Njengoba impilo imba eqolo lihinyana nje lwetindzaba letimnanzi kubathengi lwenda lomkhulu umehluko labasebenzisa emafutha emoto tihlathi tawuvakashela tindlebe kanzike labashayela timoto lisebenzisa diesel emehlo injabiso kuphela njengoba kulinzeleke ukuthi inzengo ya diesel yenyuke noma ingeke yenyuke kakhulu njengasemihleni lenzengo lesetulu ingahle ithikamede umkhakha wekuhambisa timpahla ngemaloli umkhakha wekichita kanye netekulima lokungaholela ekutheni yehliswe inzengo yekichita.
Any decrease over 1 rand is still very significant. So petrol users, I think, will be very happy with this news. It's going to bring the cost of a litre down below 23 rand again, which, for many people is very significant.
Somnotfo longumiyelani Mkhabela uthi inzengo yemafutha etimoto itawuphinze yehle kuletinyanga letitako.
We are expecting to see revised pricing for the oil prices, and that will translate as well to fuel around petrol and diesel prices to come down to a reasonable pricing like model. And I believe that will as well add much value to the retail sector and all the other consumable products that we import in the country.
Etimaka etel rand liqinile liqathaniswa netimali takulamanye amave. Lemidlalo umqeqeshi Orlando Pirates Jose Rivera uthi imphumela phambili ngeke isebenze liqembu lakhe nedlala eMamelodi Sundowns kumlende wecala weMTN 80 kusasa Orlando Stadium. Kusenjalo iChiefs ufuna kusebenzisa buthakathaka bemazulu kumlende wecala walomqhudelwano ngelisonto eFNB. Sithibeka lapho talo umhlana sibetolo sikhona simo selitulu ngisale kahle.